5, the parabolic selfie. Save this, obviously you need to save it. You're gonna open the calculator again, and on here, so I know we just looked at this, but this is the parabola that you're like fitting to your U-shaped object and specifies. Okay, and then again, you're gonna use the sliders, and it's gonna tell you the equation, and then you have to actually write the equation. So it tells you that A equals this, A equals this, K equals this, and then you write the equation from that. Ready? And then, so we're going outside to take pictures, but the very last thing we have to do. Oh, sorry, the second slide, I keep skipping it. Step 4 is your write-up, like what is your equation, write the transformations we needed, how did you find the values, write the vertex, tell me what it represents, write the x and y intercepts, tell me what those represent, find the domain range, do you feel your equation is a good representative range? Do you feel your equation is a good representative range? Do you feel your equation is a good representative range? Do you feel your ball? So the main goal is to have you feel your ball most in your main goal is to have you feel your ball most in your ball. And as you can they hit it 0-0-0-0 at Miss Toner's feet, and they threw the ball, and the ball is actually, I don't know if you guys can tell there, but the ball is under that laptop. So the goal is to kind of try to get the ball in the path. And this is hopefully the path that the ball is taking. Alright, so we took a video, we just did like kind of still frame, like you can pull your slider to get that still frame when the ball is kind of at that vertex. Okay, and then you same deal, the second part here, you have all of those questions just for your a different picture. Alright, and then your conclusion. Okay, talk to your partners and then you kind of picture these together as well. If you concentrate tomorrow, you can get all your pictures done, and it shouldn't be too difficult to like finish, in my mind. Okay, I did the same project a couple years ago with CP Algebra 2, and you concentrated, got it done, and it's easy breezy.
Were you presenting
Hey,
Haven't
Chad.
did it yet. We'll see how tomorrow goes,
Talk
as
to-
what we get done, how much time we have, and we get back to it, things like that. Okay, but at least we do tomorrow, at least Friday of the following. Okay, so this is up here for you to look at, yep. I wanna say it's either half a test or it's a quiz. I don't remember off the top of my head. I don't believe it's a test. Or if we put it in as a test, like it'll be like 25 points. Very good. If you can think of any others, let me know. So tomorrow, if you go through and you do the questions, I can answer them before we get started tomorrow. For the most part tomorrow, we're gonna kind of get all of our groups settled and then we'll go out, okay? If you want to be in a group, but you don't really have any friends in this class and you haven't, done that niche, just let me know and we can pair you up, okay? If I should have, maybe I'll make a Google form, I'll send it out to you, but, we'll see. So then maybe tomorrow meeting class, I'll have you do that and then I'll make sure everyone's matched up. So 3 maths. Okay, so if you want to do it just with one partner, that's fine. We'll just pull someone to videotape you guys. If you really want to do it by yourself, that's fine, but I'd rather you work with somebody else, just to make life easier. Alright? Alright, so that's that. You good? So
Yeah.
that is on Thursday. You can look and do that. I don't know what it says test review. I did not finish grading your tests yet. They will be done quicker than the other chapter because I don't plan on being out for 2 days and having them sit on my desk for 2 straight days. That's why I didn't want to take so long. And then I came back and coming back after being out was just not fun. Okay, so as you can see, tomorrow's our clock project, and then you have a beautiful 3-day weekend and you come back on Tuesday. Okay. You have a 3-day weekend?
Rashid, bro.
You didn't know that,
I feel like we went over this.
Come on,
Not too
Rashid.
Come on,
sure about
Rashid.
Friday morning. No one's gonna be here.
Wait, why are we doing it?
Columbus Day.
Oh.
Or Indigenous People Day.
Wednesday or whatever.
What's it called now?
Indigenous
People Day.
Actually, this one has both Indigenous People Day and Columbus Day.
Both of them.
Because wasn't Columbus like really bad?
Just a little
I
bit.
do have to schedule for Wednesday. Today we're supposed to learn. Tuesday, learn. Wednesday, review quiz. Alright. I actually enjoy Unit 3. It is the most new. Like I feel like you've seen quadratics before, you saw absolute value before, you've graphed before, but I don't think you have seen
What are we doing?
X cubed, X to the fourth, and X to
You
the
got
fifth.
anyone
Have
in
you seen those?
No. I'm email out to
Kind
some
of,
people.
maybe sort of. Alright, before I get started, please have your calculator out.
Did I actually have it today?
Oh, you do?
Sorry, I forgot to tell you that. I'm normally so ready for math.
Oh, she's coming back.
Calculator, pencil, this, that.
Oh yeah, no Pop-Tart, bro.
Of course I was.
Same flavor. You need to get.
No, it's brown sugar cinnamon now.
I don't. What did you have last time?
I had a
Strawberry last.
Oh, brown sugar, cinnamon. Actually, I don't know. Strawberry.
Brown sugar.
Strawberry's the better one, in my
No,
opinion.
the strawberry's gross. Blueberry's the best one though.
Never decided on pencil today.
Blueberry is
Claire,
most
are you
definite.
leaving during this block? I don't remember. Or is it new?
Yeah, it's next fall.
Where are you going?
I heard the announcement, but I did not listen to the announcement.
The admiral in charge of JOC, the entire country, is coming over.
Is he gonna shoot you? What's he gonna do? I'm okay. I've gone in. Thank you though, Jack.
Are you trying to share?
Yeah, because last time we shared the Pop-Tart, but I've gummin this time, so. But me and Jack Allen are tight like that. We go way back. The guy's coming to look at them.
The admiral in charge of the
Okay,
entire NJOC program across the country is visiting the school.
So wait, what happens if he says that you guys are all bad?
Well, that's bad. We want to
So
make
is
sure
he
it's
just
good.
visiting or is he like evaluating?
Yeah, which one?
Sort of both.
What if he's like, this is the worst school I've ever seen in my entire life, and then he shoots you?
Because of practice and you're all ready, right?
Probably.
Are the freshmen ready? Is what's his name? Don't tell me. Is Logan good? Will's ready.
Rashid's gonna cook.
Guys, I need new shoes. I'm getting a haircut on Monday, so I'm gonna come back and be a new person, guys. It'll just be short. It'll probably be to like, let's think. It'll probably like.
Why, you trying to figure out the
What?
He's higher up.
He's on the head of our academic
He's higher up. Have you not seen his statistics for his grades? His grade statistics? They're crazy.
Alright.
Come on.
Did anyone say you watched the Phillies last night? Any superstar people here?
Yeah, I watched it.
The
Thank
start. They're not. I feel bad. They're not winning twice.
Yes, we are.
I saw the game start at 9 o'clock and I was like, yeah, no, I'm not even gonna try it. So,
Wait, what was the score?
I did wake up before it was over and I saw that they were winning.
Yeah.
Yeah,
8-1.
8-2.
You know what?
I thought it was 8-1. Was it 2?
8-2. Let's look it
Oh,
up.
and my dad lied to me.
So I'm used to the air conditioner being on.
It was 3-1. It was like 3-1 for a while, or it was like 2-1 for a while. Then the Yankees got another run.
They're not winning twice.
Yes, we are. We're gonna
They
win.
better.
I'm going to win. I'm going.
I
to
have the
win.
Shohei Ohtani back bling in Fortnite.
Bro, I have the Skippy toilet back.
I wish I did. I
It's on a little
don't.
earlier, right?
Yeah.
And the radio told me I knew the Eagles played the Giants. Eagles play the Giants tonight.
That's gonna
Yes.
Go be a go
be.
on.
This game's not gonna be close.
Phillies start first, then the Giants and the Giants, the Eagles Giants. Then the Flyers apparently have their opening night tonight.
Yeah, Brian, not watching that.
So,
Bro.
The Flyers.
I don't see anyone in- Giants are 2-3. No one's in green, no one's in orange. And
You're
no
a-
one's in-
Wait, you're a Giant? I forgot Malcolm.
It's respect day. I'm wearing blue.
Phillies do
Or it's like- Ryan.
Yo, Malcolm, how are you feeling this
Ryan
year?
Gardino.
How about like for the past couple of years? Hey, it's okay, Malcolm.
Oh, yeah. We are 4-1. We're both half lost. No big deal, you guys.
It's gonna be another one.
Yeah, but our quarterback is a rookie and he only has 83, so he's like, he's 500 right? We won the Super Bowl.
Is she a Giants fan?
What?
Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Jalen Hurts lost just for a Super Bowl. Thank you very much. And then but then we just won.
I actually don't watch football. I watch baseball.
I don't care about football. I watch a little bit of baseball.
Bro, you were on the field.
You want what?
That's my favorite thing to say.
I love. They really think it's. People love to think that they're involved. It's fun.
I'm involved. I met. What you know about Grant Calcaterra?
What do you know about Tyler Phillips, who got kicked off?
It's Blue Day.
Yeah, it's Blue Day. It's for
Perfect.
respect or whatever.
I have respect.
RESPECT. Give it
Shut
to you.
your bitch ass up.
What was I gonna say? My
Nothing.
favorite is JT over Muto. He's my favorite.
Really, he's my favorite, bro.
He's my favorite. I
If
love
they win
JT.
tomorrow, I'm wearing my jersey.
JT Romuto is the best.
Alright, so for this, it's just a lot of drawing. As we get through the unit, these will come more to
Alright,
you like
guys.
very quickly.
I'm bored.
The last three, are probably the most ones we've not really seen before. Alright, if we're
JT
X to the first, what do we call that?
He's the best pitcher of
What's
all
the
time.
name of the graph? Or the name of the equation, start with now.
Linear.
Linear, great, so we're gonna fill in that box. I think I just threw this. Linear equation, the first one? For the first one, yeah, X to the first power is linear.
Where'd that moth go?
Please draw a line with the first graph.
A line.
I don't care, positive, negative. There it is. Couldn't find it. A line, like a linear equation. It
I don't know
looks
what a
like
linear equation is.
line.
It's a line.
Oh.
Wait, the top one's positive, the bottom one's negative.
What?
Oh, it does, positive, well, you're right, I'm sorry. It does have to be positive and negative, thank you, Jack. I did draw a positive line, thank goodness. Jack's paying attention more than I am. This one says negative leading coefficient. So this one, you think about it, it'd be like y equals negative x. So it has a negative slope. Thank you, Jack. Sorry about that.
I'm lost.
So we're worried about that. All right, the next one is Paula. What's the next one?
That's a good question.
X squared is Paula. Quadratic?
Oh,
I don't know any of this.
You ever find out why it's called quadratic?
Yes, it has to do exactly what you said. Something, wait, what did you tell me?
Because square means it's square and square is both sides.
oh.
That's why.
Yes,
I just call it like a duo dragon.
'Cause that sounds
I did
good.
look it up that day. And it's showed that you were right. I also think it has something like a. In the graph, it's one square, but doesn't each graph
Those are-
have
those
two
are
squares? Where?
What?
Ball.
And the ceiling is 32 feet tall.
I just put Y. and yeah.
I remember that.
The Latin word quartus.
Quartus.
Quadrus, meaning square. The Latin word for square.
Squad. What is a squad dragon?
Maybe not the square
What do you know about the
yeah,
game
like-
Squad? Trying to hop on Squad.
I did.
Fortnite?
Jack,
No, it's a game called Squad and it's
But
terrible.
it has to do with the fact that
It's just like a
that it's
stupid Russian
square.
shooter.
Jack.
That was like $1 on Steam.
Latin for squares. Quad.
I have an Xbox.
Oh.
Quadrants.
Are you laughing at that?
I want to.
Okay, let's just, all right, anyway, moving on. Quadratic, if we have a positive leading coefficient, we're gonna be pointing.
Up.
And if we're negative, we're gonna be pointing down.
Oof.
The next one, anybody? This is you would say this is X.
Polynomial.
So it's cubic.
Okay.
What was your favorite of the flames?
I like the 6-7 one.
Oh.
If it has
The 6 one when it was
Mine
like
was-
If
green.
the leading coefficient
Mine
is
was
positive,
copper.
you
'Cause the green one was
X
copper.
cubed, and
That's
it's
the best one.
positive, that means the
I like the
end
rainbow.
of the graph
That one
is
was
pointing up. Okay? If it says 3, how many zeros do you have?
3. 2, 3.
Right, when we have X cubed, we should be getting 3 answers.
Okay, yeah.
And 3 is also even or odd.
Quad.
Odd. So that means if the end has to be positive, the beginning has to be negative, because it's
Yeah.
opposite. To think odd, you have to have opposite weights. And in the middle, you have to hit the x-axis 3 times. So the reason I'm telling you all that is we're gonna start pointing down.
That's like a.
We're gonna come up and you wanna hit it 3 times, once, twice, 3, and then we end with it going up. I don't care how you make your curve in the middle, but the goal is to hit it 3 times so you
I'm
can see that
bowling.
you have 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay? And then the negative leading coefficient is just the opposite. The end of the graph will point down, and you still have to hit it 3 times, but then the beginning will come from the top. Anyone know what forward is? Yeah, vortex.
That's
Hardy.
Vortex, if it's positive, it's even, so even means both of your ends of your graph will point the same way. So if we're positive, we will point up. And again, you have to hit 4 times on the x-axis because you have x to the 4th. So we're gonna start up and then end up. And again, you hit it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And then you do the exact opposite. If we have a negative leading coefficient, we will be pointing down. And last but not least, x to the 5th power. Any guesses?
Hexic.
Yeah. Someone mess up. Like quintuplets, right? Quintuplets is 5. Alright, so again, we're odd. Whenever you see an odd number, I want you to think opposite ways. Right? So if it's a positive leading coefficient, we have the end pointing up. So at the beginning, we'll point down. And you're supposed to hit it 5 times. I say supposed to, because you could have imaginaries. Like you could have a turning point that doesn't get to the x-axis. Okay? But if it did come down, I think it would hit a total of 5 times. I didn't say that for the other ones, but like you could have imaginary zeros, just like your quadratic. Okay? At most, you would have 5. And then, oh, I did my arrow wrong. If we're negative, that means the end of the graph will be down. I mean, you can make it, come back up. There. So you can have it hit 5 times. Or sometimes you'll see a turning point that doesn't come all the way down. All right? Yeah. That bottom part, I couldn't see it before, but as you can see, this says possible number of zeros. So you could or you could not, right? So in case they were imaginary. Number of solutions or zeros, we're talking about our x-intercepts, your roots, your solutions. All different words, talking about the same exact thing. Okay. For linear, 1. Quadratic, how many could we have all together? Like we could have 2, we could have, or we could have. A cubic. Is there any way to have 0 zeros? If it has to go like opposite ways. Don't you have to go through the x-axis?
Yeah.
Yes, so you can't have 0, so you can have 1, 2, or 3. The quartic, could the quartic be hanging out above the x-axis?
Yeah.
So you can have 0 zeros with the quartic because it's even. So you could have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if I agree with 1. How would you? Yeah, I guess it. Did you have to come back down? Oh. My notes tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, but I might disagree with. Because how did you do 1? Oh, I guess if you have it. There you go. That's how you could have 1. I had to think about that for a second. It's a double root, but it does only hit 1 time. Okay. All right, and last but not least, if we're opposite, can you have 0?
No.
No, it has to go through at some point, so you can have 1 to 5. All good?
Yeah.
And basically what we're gonna be learning in this section is all of like the information about all of these graphs. All of the mins, the maxes, how they look, how they behave. We're gonna talk about their behavior, which just means like the ends of the graph, what they look like. So that's why I think it's fun. It's almost like I don't wanna say a puzzle, you're not putting things together, but you're just finding information out about them. Right? So in even degree, what do you notice about their end behavior? End behavior is where it ends. Okay? You wanna look at like where you pointed your arrows. So what do you notice about the ends when you have even degrees?
Both moving same direction.
Ding, ding, ding. So the arrows go in the same direction. And then what do we notice about the odd? Alright, and again, even degree, they put it there, 2, 4, 6. Odd degrees are your 1, 2, 3s, and so on and so forth. Any questions on that?
Okay, bye.